Let's start simple. What is an inverse function? Well, let's draw a coordinate system, and we'll make a drawing of a function. Let's call this y equals f of x. Now notice that for any x that we pick, any x value, there's exactly one y value. And that means that our function is invertible. Okay, so now imagine we want to find a rule that tells us for a given y value which x produced it. Well, the inverse function does exactly that. Y equals f inverse of x. Let's look at an example. If f of 2 equals 5, then that implies f inverse of 5 equals 2. The inputs and the outputs get swapped. Now to represent that graphically, we draw the y equals x line. And the inverse function gets flipped about the y equals x line. Because again, the x and the y values are swapped. The outputs of f become the inputs of f inverse. F inverse undoes f. And we can even see that the slopes kind of swap. Look at the slope here. It's very steep. And in the same area, the same region, this slope is very gentle. And likewise here, this slope is very steep in this region. And this slope is very gentle. So the slopes are reciprocals. So dy dx, the derivative of y with respect to x, equals f prime of x, implies the derivative of x with respect to y is the reciprocal 1 over f prime of x, because the slopes are swapped. All right, follow along for more.